Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you how you can open up your windows and get that fresh air without letting the rain in. If you want to let fresh air inside the cab of your pickup truck without letting any rain or other debris get inside, then you're going to want to check out these AVS in-channel vent visors fitting your 09 to 14 F-150 as well as 2010 to 14 Ford Raptor. These AVS in-channel vent visors feature a durable smoked finish with a no-drill installation. They completely attach with all of the included hardware as well as the 3M adhesive around the border of them. This is going to let fresh air inside the cab of your pickup truck without letting rain or anything else in. It's going to allow the inside temperature of your truck to stay cooler in the summer by allowing you to crack your windows and leave them down a little bit without having to worry about thieves getting in. Now we're going to get them installed on our 2012 Ford Raptor and see how they look. First thing we're going to do is grab the included alcohol prep pad and clean off the inside of that channel. That way the 3M can have a proper adhesion to the truck. So let's get that torn open. We're just going to try and work inside that channel. That way it's nice and clean in there. Now we're going to start in the back and push that in first. And work our way right up to the front here. Also put that in. Now the next step to make sure that these stay secure is you're going to take these small clips and orient them like this with the opening towards you. And you're actually going to put this in between the visor inside and where the window track actually goes. If you have difficulties with this, you can use a small putty knife or flat blade screwdriver, which I'm going to grab now. After everything's installed, we're going to roll up the window and keep that up for a full 24 hours to make sure everything sets right. Same thing on the rear, you're going to repeat the exact same process, clean that up with some alcohol, and then slide it in with that 3M backing pulled off, and then press these in the exact same way as you did right up front. Press these in the exact same way that you did up front. And then repeat the same process on the other side, and that'll complete your install. All right guys, so check it out. The AVS in-channel vent visors are completely installed on our Ford Raptor. They look great. Plus you're gonna be able to have that window up and let some fresh air in without getting the rain or other debris inside your truck. Now to find these vent visors as well as many other great parts for your Raptor and F-150, be sure to check out cjponyparts.com.